The sentries are not doing their job. And the leopard has spotted his chance. The noise of the fight covers the leopard's stalk. But before he can make his attack, one of the baboon sentries finally spots him. Somehow, over the noise, the troop hears the warning. The threat forces the troop to put aside their differences and unite as a team. Leopard versus baboon is not the foregone conclusion it might seem. Baboons are strong, aggressive, and armed with inch-and-a-half-long canines. These 40-pound primates are intimidating. In more than a third of all recorded fights between baboon and leopard, the leopard is killed. Despite his hunger, a grudging retreat is the leopard's best option. But unless the baboons can truly unite their troop, someone in their midst is living on borrowed time. In the daytime, it's the prey animals that have the advantage. Many eyes have kept the puku safe and helped the guinea fowl flock and baboon troop outsmart the leopard. But as the sun sets over the bend in the river, the odds begin to shift. Excellent night vision gives hunters an advantage over the hunted, whose eyesight is not much better than ours in the dark. It's time to deploy a new set of survival strategies. The baboons utilize their incredible climbing skills and seek shelter in the tall trees on the edge of the plains. The guinea fowl do the same. Getting up a 100-foot tree might seem like a tall order for a ground-dwelling bird, but their tiny legs are powerful and give enough vertical lift to help their small wings carry them to the very top. They weigh only a couple of pounds, so can perch on the thin outer branches, beyond the reach of a heavy adult leopard. Or at least that's the strategy. A military-grade night vision camera cuts through the darkness. The guinea fowl feel safe in their lofty perch and have finally stopped chattering. Any babble now would attract unwanted attention. At night, silence means survival. But the leopard knows exactly where they are. His hearing is 3 times better than ours, so even the careless rustling of feathers gives them away. The night vision camera creates images from heat radiation, so the leopard's iconic spots are invisible to us. If he wants guinea fowl for dinner, he's going to have to climb. Short, strong legs and a long, muscular body propel him 10 feet up the tree. The guinea fowl freeze, hoping the cat can't see them. Out on a limb, the leopard's weight is a disadvantage. Stealth and timing are vital. Foiled by flight. The leopard has used precious energy hunting the guinea fowl. And now he needs to make a kill. Unlike the creatures in the trees, the puku must take their chances on the ground. They stick with daytime survival strategies and choose the open plain. There's safety in numbers. They can't see as well at night, but the extra pairs of eyes and ears give them a better chance of survival. The mother puku shelters with the rest of the group. But her baby is nowhere to be seen. Even more surprising, she doesn't seem worried about it. The calf has moved off, far from the herd. It hunkers down alone in the pitch dark. It's completely exposed. Now, with the field in pitch darkness, the leopard returns to make full use of his superior eyesight. 7 times more acute than a human's. The puku can't see him, but have an excellent sense of smell. They know something's out there. If the leopard stays upwind, he stands a chance. He can afford to bide his time, waiting for just the right moment. The target is a lone adult that strayed dangerously far from the group. The puku has no idea how close to death it's wandered. But in the Luangwa Valley, it's unwise to count one's chickens before they hatch. Because no matter how tough you are, there's always someone tougher. In this case, a pride of lions. The lions can also see in the dark, and they won't want to share anything they catch. Outnumbered and outgunned, the leopard has to move on. This is not his night. The lions are hoping to take an adult puku. But to get to the herd, they'll be walking very close to the calf. But unbelievably, this lioness walks right past him. Nature has provided newborn puku with remarkable defenses against predators. For the first few months of his life, he has no scent whatsoever. So the lions can't locate him by smell. It's like his own invisibility cloak. Thanks to this adaptation, he's actually safer out here on his own than with the herd. He survives by hiding in plain sight. But the herd doesn't have these defenses. And now the lions are zeroing in on them. These big cats rely on strength in numbers and close coordination in their attack. The puku deploy their stotting tactic, which makes it harder for the pride to anticipate their moves. The lions push most of the herd to the other side of the plain, away from the river, and isolate a female who makes a run for it in the opposite direction. The downed female could easily be the baby's mother. If so, the youngster has no chance of survival. He's still totally reliant on his mother for nourishment and protection. And now, the herd is completely out of sight.
Hey Love Nature fans, be sure to like and subscribe to catch all our wild animal stories. Get closer to nature right here on YouTube.